Hello everyone, my name is Zulfi. Now I'm going to tell you about my hometown city, Malang. Malang is located at East Java. It's not very far from Surabaya. It's just 93.5 km from Surabaya. And it will take 2 hours by car if there's no traffic. With the traffic, it will take 3 to 4 hours to get to Malang from Surabaya. Malang is 252 kilometers square wide. There are 8,200 people live in Malang. As you can see, Malang is surrounded with some mountains. There are Arjuna Mountain, Butak Mountain, Bromo Mountain, and Mahameru Mountain. So, you will almost see mountain in almost every direction you look in Malang. The temperature in Malang is about 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is comfortable for mostly people in Indonesia. So what do you know about Malang? Mostly people know Malang is only about its football team, Arema, or about the place where University of Brawijaya is located, or the place where Munir is actually born. It's not wrong, but actually Malang still has so many beautiful and unique things that maybe you still don't know about. So, in this presentation, I will tell you about culture, historical heritage, tourism object, and food that unique and only you can find in Malang. So, check it out. We start with culture of Malang. There are many kinds of traditional culture from Malang, but now I'm just gonna show you 2 traditional culture from Malang that I think it become the identity of Malang. First is Topeng Malangan dance, or in English, Malangan mask dance. This dance is usually talking about human habit. Every player in this dance wears a mask that symbolizes the character of the figure that he or she play. Not just the dance. Now, the mask is also famous and often used as decoration or collectibles. Now, this mask also has been exported to many countries all over the world. Second culture that you can find in Malang is Malang special language. I call it special because you don't need to memorize any vocabulary because there is no vocabulary in this language. This language can be applied to all language. You just need to know the person to know the meaning of this language. Wanna try? I'll give you an example. Do you know what the meaning of this sentence? The meaning of this sentence is mother is cooking in the kitchen. Wanna try again? Try this. The meaning of this sentence is father is going to work. Have you understood the pattern? The pattern is very simple. You just need to read the word from right to left. But unlike Arabic language, a sentence, you keep reading it from left to right. If there is a consonant word next after consonant word like th and ng, you keep reading it from left to right. Got it? Easy, isn't it? This language was used during the independence war of Indonesia. This language is meant to make the enemy couldn't understand what is the meaning of the letter that they steal from Indonesian army at Malang. It's called Bosowalian, or in English, backward language. This language is still used until now. So, if you go to Malang, this lesson will be very useful. Very unique, isn't it? Next, I will tell you about the historical heritage of Malang. Malang has some historical heritage, and most of them are temples. There are 5 temples that spread all across Malang. There are Kidal Temple, Baru Temple, Jago Temple, Sumbarawan Temple, and then Singosari Temple. I'm not going to tell you about all of this temple, but I will explain you only one temple that becomes the identity of Malang, and that temple is Singosari Temple. The Singosari Temple was built during the reign of Singosari Empire. This empire is ruling the Malang region from 1222 until 1292. This temple was made by pile up main andesite stone. Then they carved it from up to bottom. Based on Nagara Kartakama book, this temple was used for the place of coronation of the last king of the Singosari Empire. This temple is believed have never done, because during the build, the Singosari Empire was attacked by an army that led by the king's own nephew. This attack was ended the reign of Singosari Empire at Malang. Ironic, right? Okay, done with the history lesson. Now, I will show you the tourism object around Malang. Malang is a small city, so it doesn't have many tourism objects. But many people choose Malang as their stay place during the holiday because it's not too far to go to forest tourism object from Malang. If you want to go to a place that refreshing your mind after a long exhausting work, you can go to this place, Jebanrondo Waterfall. The air is so fresh, and the water is very cold like an ice. Or you can go to this place, Paralayang Hill, where you can see the Malang city from high. And if you have a boat, you can also try to fly with the Paralayang. Of course, you will be accompanied by the expert. Or if you want to relax with your family, you can go to Kusuma Agrowisata. There, you can feel the fresh of the mountain air, and you can also pluck many kinds of fruit direct from each tree. But if you doesn't like cold weather and want to feel something warmer, you can go to various beaches at Malang. It's pretty far from the center of the city, but after you get there, you will know that all of you do is worth. First is Palikamang Beach, a beach with a pool on the center. Then there is Cliff Beach. It's pretty hard to get there because the road is still bad, but the beautiful scenery of this beach will make it worth. Then there is Sumbu Island Beach. Yeah, it's located at Sumbu Island, an island that's very close to Java Island. It only takes half an hour to get there by boat. But after you get there, you will know how it feels to have your own island. If you don't want all of this thing and want something that can make your adrenaline rush, you can go to Jatim Park at Batu City. It only takes an hour to get there from Malang. There, you'll find many rides that can make your adrenaline rush. And if you still can't get enough, but it's already dark, don't worry. Just go to Batu Next Spectacular or BNH. It opens from 4 PM to 12 PM. It has many rides and a beautiful open garden that will make your night perfect. If you're a typical person that always wants to know something new, and if you are an animal lover, you can go to Zoo Museum and Secret Zoo. Just located side by side at Batu City. At Zoo Museum, you can find various animals that have been preserved. There's a dinosaur fossil too there. At Secret Zoo, you can find many animals from all across the world. Cool, isn't it? Malang itself doesn't have so much tourism object, but you can go to various tourism object with a short time from Malang. Now, I'm going to tell you about the famous food at Malang. And the first meal that being the identity of Malang is meatball. There is something that makes Malang meatball different with other meatball. First is pick your own menu system. If you want to buy a meatball at Malang, you will just be given an empty bowl. Then you can take everything that you want to eat, as long as you can pay it, of course. Second thing is the variety of the meatball. Malang's meatball also famous with its variety. Based on the size, you can get very big meatball size like a takraw ball, up to a very small meatball that size like a gravel. Based on the surface, you can get a raw surface meatball that make from mix of veins and meat. can get a soft served meatball that made from meat only. You can also find stuffed meatball with various stuff like chicken egg, wild egg, cheese, mushroom, and the favorite of Mamalang people, chili. Or, if you're bored with that kind of meatball, you can have this grilled meatball. Malang also famous with its various chip. There are tempeh chip, watermelon chip, jackfruit chip, apple chip, and many other fruit chip. At Malang, there is also a store that sells many kind of food that all of this food made from sweet potatoes. There are many kind of products from this store like sweet potatoes buns, sweet potatoes noodle, sweet potatoes ice cream, sweet potatoes juice, and many other food that also made from sweet potatoes. That food sounds weird, but the taste is quite good. I think that's enough from me. If you want to know about Malang further, just visit www.malangkota.go.id or bkd.malangkota.go.id. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching. If you want to go to other city to spend your holiday, just go to Malang.